Good morning, students. Welcome to St. Thomas School online classes. Students, in a previous session, we had completed till chapter number 12, present tense. Okay. So, students, in this session, we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter number 13, past tense. Okay. So, students, we are just going through it. Chapter number 13, past tense. Student, first of all, what do you mean by past tense? A tense expressing an action that has happened previously. Okay, whichever action happened previously is known as past tense. Okay, let's see simple past tense. The simple past tense tells us about the action that took place in the past. Student, whichever action that took place in the past is known as simple past tense. Okay, we often use words like yesterday, last week, ago, etc. with the simple past tense. We often use words like yesterday, last week, ago. Okay? With the simple past tense. Okay. Let's see the example. First one. The train arrived 5 minutes ago. The train arrived 5 minutes ago. Arrived is a simple past tense. Second one. Kunal bought a new bike yesterday. Bought is a simple past tense. Okay. Let's see our first exercise. Exercise number A. Complete the table by writing the simple past tense from each verb. First is present tense and second one is past tense. So, let's see first one. Grow, grew. Second one, cut, cut. Third one, speak, spoke. Fourth one, buy, bought. Fifth one, drink, drank. Sixth one, walk, walked. Seventh one, make, mad. Eighth one, find, found. Ninth one, cook, cooked. And last one, 10th one, begin, began. Okay, student, you have to write this exercise in your fab book and textbook both. Okay, so students, we are just going further with our next exercise, that is exercise number B. Fill in the blanks with the simple past tense form of the verb given in the bracket. In that first one, I lose my bag yesterday. I lost my bag yesterday. Second one, my father take me to a movie last week. What will come? My father took me to a movie last week. Third one, to get into the house, the thief jump over the wall. To get into the house, the thief jumped over the wall. Fourth one, Mona live in this house a year ago. What will come? Mona lived in this house a year ago. Fifth one, Sonam buy a new dress for her birthday. Sonam bought a new dress for her birthday. Sixth one, Kiran throw the ball into the basket. Kiran threw the ball into the basket. Seventh one, when the teacher was teaching, a bird fly into the classroom. When the teacher was teaching, a bird flew into the classroom. Last one, eighth one. Yesterday, my mother get me a book on the dances of India. Yesterday, my mother got me a book on the dances of India. Okay, so students, you have to write this exercise B in your fair book and textbook both. Students, you have to write exercise number A and exercise number B both in your fair book and textbook both. Okay, students, you have to write this simple past tense definition in your fair book. Okay, so students, we are just putting till over here. next we'll see in our next session. Okay, thank you.